Setting the drink portion on a CVA 6800 coffee machine. First go to edit, change drink, select coffee, change portion size, and here you can hit save when you get to desired level of coffee. So if you're happy with that amount of coffee, you hit save. If not, you wait until the level gets to the level that you like, and then you hit save. So for now, I already preset it to that level. I'm gonna let it run there and I'll just save it again. I'm just gonna save it right here. And there you go, coffee portion size saved. And you can do this for any of the type of coffee you want, whether it's espresso, lungo, or cappuccinos. And let's say you want to do espresso, you go to edit, change drink, go to espresso, change portion size, they had it set to that level. Let's see how it is in a cup. If you're happy with that amount, you can just hit save right here. Let's go ahead and save it because it's espresso. There you go, you see the meter just jumped to the level you saved it at. And there you go. That's the way of setting your portion size in a coffee.